Now we will proceed to the next session, which is of Dr. Feroza Hamid Wattu. She will describe about the milk-derived peptides for reducing oxidative stress in human vascular smooth muscle cells. She is currently working as associate professor in University Institute of Biochemistry and Biotechnology, Pir Meher Ali Shah, Arid Agriculture University. Over to Dr. Feroza, please.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, all of you. So the title of my presentation is Camel Milk Derived Peptides from Reducing Oxidative Stress-Induced Pathogenesis Inhibition of TGB beta-mediated atherogenic signaling in human vascular smooth muscle. These are the contents. So the camel milk, unique in terms of composition as well as the camel milk functionality. So camel milk heat stable, highly digestible because of beta casein up to 65%. So the composition, low concentration of lactose and cholesterol, have insulin-like proteins, low milk fat, high concentration of unsaturated fatty acids, A to beta casein as compared to cow milk having A1 beta casein, which makes it good for heart and blood health. So the in camel milk bioactivity also such as diabetes, cardiovascular, and healthy lifestyle. So camel milk is high in antioxidants. So antioxidants help prevent damage to our cells that can lead to serious disease such as cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. It is also high in several vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A and B. So the composition of camel milk, higher amount of lactoferrin, immunoglobulins, and lysosomes, 20 to 30 times as much lactoferrin as cow milk. Camel milk is also deficient in B-lactoglobulin. Camel alpha-lactoglobulin shows higher degrees of hydrolysis to beta casein and also bioactive peptides. So bioactivities, antimicrobial activity, boost immunity, hypoallergic, lactose intolerance, digestibility, and antioxidant, and also anti-cancer activities. So the proportion of worldwide death due to non-communicable disease. So 1.6 million diabetes, respiratory disease 3.9 million, cardiovascular disease 17.7 million, and cancer 8.8 millions. Prevalence of diabetes and cardiovascular. So statistically, the prevalence of diabetes mellitus in Pakistan and high in 2011, 7.6% to 11%. By 2030, maybe 15%. At number 7 in the list of countries with prevalence of diabetes mellitus. If the present situation continues, it is expected to move to the 4th place. 33 of Pakistani population above the age of 45 has hypertension. Prevalence of hypertension in 33% above the age of 45 and in 19% in the age of 15 and above. So, bioactive compound in camel milk. So, camel milk hydrolyzes with pepsin and pancreatic enzymes, then isolate the peptides, and then the antioxidant and cytotoxicity activity was performed. So this is this slide shows the response to retention hypothesis of atherogenesis. So low density lipoprotein retention in vessel wall caused due to the changes in the properties of extracellular matrix, particularly glycosaminoglycans chain or on proteoglycans. So growth factors and hormones cause the hyperelongation of GAG chains. So this is the chain. So the physiochemical analysis of camel milk from different regions of Pakistan, sampling, then estimation of protein, lactose, estimation of fats, vitamins and minerals was done. So these are the results of the measurement of total cholesterols. So these are the results. No treatment with milk, diabetic plus drug, diabetic plus milk. So these are the results of the triglycerides measurement. So techniques used for the synthesis, purification and analysis of camel milk peptide YY11. So this is the sequence. So synthesis by automatic peptide synthesizer, molecular mass determined by LCMS, purification of synthesized peptide by HPLC, Western blot to check the protein concentration, RT-PCR to quantify messenger RNA expression, reactive oxygen stress axis to check free radical scaling activity. So this slide shows the automatic synthesizer. So these are the steps and freeze drying and storage of camel milk. So these are the results of HPLC. So these are the results of HPLC. This is Beckman-Coulter. So this is the procedure of Western blot, whole method. Protein quantification assay by DC assay, sample loaded in gel. PCR analysis for gene expression studies. Whole procedure here. YY11 peptide as ROS scavenger. So if these are the results. Effect of YY11 peptide on TGF beta stimulated cement linker region phosphorylation. So these are the results. TGF beta mediated messenger RNA expression of GAG synthesizing enzymes was inhibited by camel milk peptide YY11. So this slide shows the loading of 2-chlorotitryl resin. So the conclusion of the present studies are artificially synthesized camel milk peptides YY11 was purified and showed prominent anti-atherosclerotic activity by decreasing messenger RNA expression of GAG synthesized genes and lowering the phosphorylation of smell linker region by decreasing the level of ROS stimulated by epocyanin and TGF beta. So due to the presence of various micro and macronutrients and bioactive peptides, camel milk showed efficient anti-diabetic and hepatoprotective activity as measured by biochemical analysis of blood, histopathological activity of pancreas, heart and liver. A naturally occurring bioactive peptides YY11 in camel milk was artificially synthesized and analyzed for its anti-sclerotic activity done by RT-PCR Western blot scavenging ability of free radicals. So these are the references. So thanks.